So let us take this example. You are asked to divide x power 7 minus 5x power 5 plus 6x4 minus 2x2 plus 5x minus 6 by x minus 2. So let us use synthetic division. So to do that, first let me write all the coefficients correspond to the dividend. So 1, x power 7 coefficient is 1. So you cannot directly write all these numbers. You have to write coefficient by coefficient corresponding to each power of x. X power 7 coefficient is 1. What is x power 6 coefficient? X power 6 is not there, so x power 6 coefficient is 0. X power 5 coefficient is minus 5. X power 4 coefficient is 6. X cube coefficient is missing, so it is 0. X square coefficient is minus 2. X coefficient is 5 and constant is minus 6. So you have a total of 8 terms. Now I want to divide this by x minus 2. So I just need to write 2 here, right? So now let us start our division process. So let us carry this 1 directly. So now 1 2s are 2 and the sum is 2. 2 2s are 4. The sum is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 2s are 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 2s are 8. 2s are 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. 14 2s are 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. 33 into 2 is 66. 66 minus 6 is 60. So the last number corresponds to the remainder. All these numbers correspond to the quotient. So the quotient has 7 terms. It is a 6th degree polynomial. So q of x is equal to x to the power 6 plus 2x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 plus 4x cube plus 8x square plus 14x plus 33. And the remainder is equal to 60. So this is how you divide any polynomial by a linear polynomial if the leading coefficient is 1. So let us see what to do if the leading coefficient is not equal to 1.